Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to enable maintenance mode in Hostinger Website Builder. All right, let's begin. The easiest way to activate maintenance mode is through the H-Panel dashboard. Start by navigating to WordPress, Overview, then click the slider next to Maintenance Mode to turn it on or off. This method is simple and doesn't require installing plugins or writing code. Keep in mind, this will display Hostinger's default maintenance page to your visitors without any customization. Alternatively, you can use the Hostinger Tools plugin, which is automatically installed during WordPress setup. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Hostinger, Tools, and toggle on Maintenance Mode. This also provides a link to bypass maintenance mode, which you can share with others if needed. Using these methods, you can quickly pause your site for updates or fixes while keeping visitors informed. Both options are convenient, but the plugin method offers slightly more control, such as bypass links for admins or collaborators. So, that's basically how you can enable maintenance mode in Hostinger Website Builder. That's it for this video. Thanks.